Hello, my name's Melissa Avery. My colleague Chris Barrows and I will be discussing civility in family law. We'll be using a demonstration.
Dictation on the Smith case. Dear Melissa Avery, your representation regarding Memorial Day weekend is a lie. I have reviewed the Indiana Parenting Time Guidelines, and while the non-custodial parent is to have parenting time on Memorial Day weekend in even-numbered years, nowhere do the guidelines indicate that the custodial parent is entitled to it in odd-numbered years. Therefore, as Memorial Day weekend is my client's regularly scheduled weekend this year, he intends to pick the children up from school that day and will not return them until Sunday evening. If your client interferes in any way with his parenting time, I will be filing an emergency petition for contempt citation and asking that your client be ordered to serve jail time. If you advise your client to interfere, you are committing malpractice. Sincerely, Chris Barrows. Chris Barrows.
Chris, it's Melissa Avery.
Hi Melissa, how have you been? It was great catching up with you at Bench Bar last year. Oh, it's nice to see how old your kids are getting.
I just got your letter on the Smith case, and I'm a little confused. I mean, do you really believe that my client wouldn't get Memorial Day weekend this year? I know the guidelines are a little unclear on that, but Chris, the bar, and the bench, frankly, has been discussing that for years, and it's commonly understood that the intention of the guidelines is for the non-custodial parent to get certain holidays and the custodial parent to get them in alternate years. I just can't understand why you're taking that position.
Oh yeah, the Smith case. Now you know that my client's kind of aggressive, and if I don't cooperate with him, or if I look like I'm cooperating with you, I'm probably going to end up getting fired, and then you're going to have to deal with him directly. That's not going to be in anybody's best interest. So I had to write that letter, but you know that we're not going to get a contempt in court. We could probably work this out otherwise. I know that we can work it out without getting in front of the judge. What do you think about that? Tell you what, you think it over, call me back after this weekend, okay?
Civility in family law is a delicate balance. As lawyers who practice in this area, we make a commitment to act with integrity and not to participate in litigation based on vengeance or other inappropriate motives. Writing letters to opposing counsel that are abrasive, hostile, offensive, or acrimonious lessens the possibility that parties will be able to settle their cases in an amicable manner. Honor your responsibility to act civilly, even if your client does not. Your example may be the one thing that teaches your client how to behave in a manner that fosters family relationships far into the future.